Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Samsonite Wheels replacement kit is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make to extend the life of your beloved luggage. This video will help you navigate the world of luggage wheel replacements, covering everything from identifying the right kit for your Samsonite suitcase to the step-by-step installation process, ensuring smooth travels for years to come. We will explore the various types of wheels available, discuss the importance of choosing durable and reliable replacements, and address common issues encountered during the replacement process. Number 5. OwnMy Luggage Wheels. Are your luggage wheels worn out? These replacement wheels are easy to install and will get your suitcase rolling smoothly again. Before ordering, measure your old wheels. Make sure they match the dimensions shown to ensure a perfect fit for your luggage. It's easy to install these wheels. Simply remove your old wheels, attach the new ones, and secure them with the included hardware. You'll receive 4 durable rubber wheels, axles in 2 sizes, screws, washers, and wrenches, everything you need for a complete replacement. These wheels are made from high-quality rubber and metal for durability and a quiet, smooth ride. They're built to last. Replace your old, noisy wheels and enjoy a smoother, quieter travel experience. Extend the life of your suitcase with ease. What we like? If you need a long-lasting, quiet replacement, this is a great option. It provides a smooth roll, extending the life of your luggage. If you value durability and a quiet ride, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The replacement wheels set was exactly what I needed to restore my suitcase. The wheels are well constructed with high-quality rubber and come equipped with durable bearings that make them much smoother and longer-lasting than the original wheels. The kit comes with 2 sizes of axles, bolts, washers, and Allen keys, making the installation process much more convenient. These were the perfect wheels for my older Samsonite luggage. I think they roll even better than the original ones. Easy to install and way cheaper than new luggage. Number 4. Luggage Wheel Repair Kit. Tired of broken luggage wheels? This kit makes repairs quick and easy. Get your luggage rolling smoothly again. It's crucial to check your wheel's dimensions before ordering. This kit includes various sizes to ensure a perfect fit for your luggage. These durable rubber and metal wheels are built to last. They're wear-resistant, quiet, and provide a smooth ride. Replacing your old wheels is simple. The kit includes all the necessary tools and instructions for a seamless installation process. These 360-degree swivel wheels offer a quiet and smooth rolling experience, no matter the terrain. Enjoy effortless mobility. The kit contains 4 rubber wheels, axles in 2 lengths, screws, wrenches, and washers, everything you need for a complete repair. Save money and time by repairing your luggage yourself. It's convenient and easy to do. Just ensure the wheels are tightly installed for optimal performance. What we like? This option is known for its quiet operation and ease of installation. The durable materials ensure a long lifespan. If you prioritize a quiet and easy-to-install replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Rough handling by the airline resulted in the loss of a wheel from one of my Samsonite bags recently, which made it nearly impossible to push the bag around. After carefully measuring the 3 remaining wheels, I found this was a perfect match for size, but not style, which I didn't care about. The hardest part of installing it was removing the remnants of the old wheel. Once I did that, this guy was super easy to put in its place and works perfectly. The wheels on my traveling tool case only lasted about 6 months before I started having issues with them. The bearings on one wheel locked up while the other wheel started wobbling and lost its bearings. I ordered these as replacements and they are working great. They roll much easier than the original wheels and fit perfectly. As others have mentioned, the hardest part is getting the old remaining wheel off. The replacements were the exact size of the old wheels, rolls smoothly and rests level. Number 3. OwnMy Luggage Replacement Wheels. Is your suitcase rolling less smoothly than it used to? These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. They're easy to install and will have your luggage gliding effortlessly again. Before ordering, please measure your old wheels. Make sure the diameter, width, and axle length match the specifications to ensure a perfect fit. This kit comes with everything you need, for durable rubber wheels, axles in 2 lengths, screws, washers, and even the tools for installation. Everything is included for a smooth replacement. Replacing your old wheels is simple. Just remove the old ones, attach the new ones using the provided hardware, and you're ready to go. Detailed instructions are included. They're made from high-quality rubber and metal for long-lasting durability and a quiet, smooth ride. Enjoy effortless rolling for years to come. These replacement wheels will give your suitcase a new lease on life. Enjoy smoother, quieter travel, and extend the life of your favorite luggage. What we like. If you're looking for a durable, quiet, and smooth rolling replacement, this is a solid choice. It's built to last and provides a comfortable rolling experience. If you value a smooth and quiet ride, this is perfect for you. What people say. These wheels fit perfectly, look good and work great. The wheels are much better than what I had and weren't difficult to install. Once the wheels were removed, the new wheels installed easily and fit 40mm wheel size perfectly. Number 2. 2 PCS Luggage Wheel Replacement. It's made of durable black plastic, ensuring long-lasting use. They're compatible with most suitcases, making them a convenient replacement. The round, 4-hole design makes it simple to install and remove. You may need to adjust the holes slightly depending on your suitcase. These wheels are lightweight and offer great heat and moisture resistance. They are also flame retardant for added safety. They are perfect for suitcases, trolleys, and other bags. It's a great solution for replacing worn-out wheels. Before buying, double-check that these wheels match your suitcase's existing wheels in both shape and size. Otherwise, they may not fit properly. Confirm the shape and size match your old wheels to ensure a perfect fit. This will prevent any installation issues. What we like. This is a lightweight and versatile option, easy to install. It's suitable for various luggage types. If you need a simple, lightweight, and easy to install replacement, this is a good option. What people say. This saved my piece of luggage, which was a piece of a set. Fixed in just a few minutes. Was correct replacement that went in with no problems. This was a perfect fit and match for my Timberland suitcase. Took 10 minutes to remove the old wheel and install the new one. Number 1. OwnMy 70mm Luggage Wheels. Is your suitcase rolling less smoothly than it used to? These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. They're easy to install and will have your luggage gliding effortlessly again. Replacing your old wheels is a breeze. Simply remove the old ones, attach the new ones using the included tools, and you're ready to go. Detailed instructions are included. Made from high-quality rubber and metal, these wheels are built to last. Enjoy a smooth, quiet ride, no matter where your travels take you. Before ordering, please measure your old wheels to ensure compatibility. All dimensions are clearly shown in our images to help you find the perfect fit. Everything you need is included, for durable wheels, axles in 2 sizes, screws, washers, and even wrenches. It's a complete replacement kit for a seamless repair. Upgrade your luggage with these replacement wheels and enjoy smoother, quieter travel. It's a simple fix for a big improvement. What we like. If you need a durable, quiet, and smooth rolling replacement, this is a great option. It's built to last and provides a comfortable rolling experience. If you value a smooth and quiet ride, this is perfect for you. What people say. They were bigger than the old wheels by a few mm. There was enough clearance for them to roll freely. They are quiet and smooth, extending the life of our carry-on bags for quite a while. The package even came with 2 different sizes of metal pins. The shorter pins worked out perfectly for me. After that, everything falls in place like a puzzle. Wheels seem to be of good quality but just received and put into service, so cannot comment on long-term durability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.